Hey there everyone, I'm Talha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print a document from Google Docs. Google Docs is one of the most widely used tools for word processing today. It is a free option, and that's why there are a lot of people that are using it for their daily tasks. So, it is important that you know how to print a document using Google Docs. So let's take a look at this document right here. It is a letter, and I want to print this letter and have a physical copy of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this icon right here. Once I click on this icon, it is going to open a new menu which will be the printer settings. And from the printer settings, I can select the destination, which is the printer that I want to print my document. Then I can select the margins and adjust the color, such as black and white, or if I want it in color, and then adjust more settings such as the paper size, the pages per sheet, the margins, the scale, and background graphics options. Once you have set all of these up according to your requirements, you can simply click on print and it is going to print the document. And that's about it. That's how simple it is to print a document from Google Docs. I hope this video was useful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe.